This is activity 5.3 on page 89, entering resource costs. We have My HR Manual Resources open. You have asked the finance department for the labor rates for your project team, and you now have them. The editor and the writers work under a contract that provides for a rate increase on October 1st of every year. You also checked with the paper supplier and received the paper rate for the project. It is time to add these rates to the project plan. Number 1, in the resource sheet, add the yearly salary for the project manager. In our resource sheet view, we're going to double click the standard rate column for the project manager. So right here, we're going to double click. So it opens up our resource information dialog box with we want our cost tab selected. In the standard rate column, we're going to replace the existing rate with 150,000 and a backslash and Y for year. So this sets the annual salary. You don't need to type the $ or a comma to separate the hundreds and thousands. Project will automatically format the number as currency for you. We're going to select OK from here. I'm going to double click just to widen this so you can see it, $150,000 per year. And we're going to use the same technique to enter an annual salary of $100,000 a year for the HR manager. So here we have HR manager. I'm going to double click in the standard rate. And we're going to set this to 100,000 / Y for year. And click OK. Number 3, enter the hourly rates for the writers, editors, and attorneys. We're going to double click the standard rate field for writer 1. And we're going to enter 60 here and press enter. Then the overtime rate field, we're going to enter 90. Writer 1 now has a standard rate of $60 an hour and an overtime rate of $90 an hour. Click OK. For writer 2 is going to be 60 for standard. Oops. And overtime of 90 as well. Editor, 60 and 90 as well. Attorney 1 is going to be 100 for standard and overtime rate of 130 per hour. And then attorney 2, 100 and 130 as well. And then next for paper, we're going to enter the standard rate of $5. Number 5, add a provision to increase the labor rights of writer 1 by 5% on October 1st, 2024. Going to double click writer 1's standard rate field. And in the second row, in the effective date column, we're going to enter 10/1/2024. In the standard rate field, we're going to enter 5%. And then in the overtime rate, you can see once I move over, it updates that to $63 an hour. So it does the calculation for you. And the overtime rate is going to be a 5% increase as well. So when I type in 5%, it calculates that to $94.50 an hour. Click OK. And we're going to repeat those steps for Writer 2 and also Editor. I'm going to double click the standard rate. Again, this is 10/1/2024. 5% increase for the standard rate, 5% increase for the overtime rate as well, and click OK. And then same for Editor. 10/1/2024, 5% and 5%, and click OK. We're going to go up to our quick access toolbar and save our updates. And we can close out of this particular file. And we'll leave project open for our next activity.